Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just sitting live today, guys. Outside is too hot, it's too sunny. Not in that sunny mood today. It is too hot to walk. It's too cold. Yeah, outside is hot. It's supposed to be 70 or 80 outside today. It's too hot. Hi guys, welcome in. Just chilling. Just chilling from the gully side. Just chilling. It's funny. Outside is so hot. If I'm going out, I'll have to take off this sweater. Meantime, I'm inside and it's cold. Freezing cold. Yeah. Mhm. Yep. Remember first time when we had children, we used to do that, guys. It used to cause so much trouble. Back in the days, today is Thursday, Ben Johnson Day. How are we all doing? What are you eating for lunch? Yeah. Are you warming up, or are you buying a sandwich, or are you buying food? How is it going for you? How is it going for you all? I can look at the sun outside and see it's, she said hot. Jeez. It's a different day than yesterday. No rain in the forecast for the afternoon. I'm not so sure of the evening. I don't remember. But mornings, that's cold. A little. When summer just came, it was like 60, 70 in the mornings. Now it changes. Who is on? Welcome, guys. Nobody talking. I just see people and nobody writing, commenting. Not sure if you can comment. I'm not sure if you can, right? Ooh, look there. Mm. 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 Oop. That's fine. May have to just get up. Can you speak these languages? Spanish. Chup, 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 chup. Can I see what's happening on the outside, just on the front? Uh, not going. It's good for. Well, it's still end the live. Yeah. Chup, 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 chup. Today, like this weekend is Father's Day. Wow. Wow, wow. Father's Day is not promoted as much as Mother's Day. I'm not sure why, but there are some fathers who are out there doing a good job. So I don't see why they don't promote it as much as the Mother's Day. Yeah, yeah. Fathers are just as important as mothers. Yeah. So if your father is still alive, mine is not still alive. Mine died from I was like 16. I'm without a father. So my mother, who is the one who fed us, fight with us. Yeah. Yeah. So if your father is alive, show him some love on this Father's Day. I wish mine was alive. Also, if daddy was alive, you know, maybe I would have been in Clarendon. Mm-hmm. I'm always love for me to visit. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Clarendon is one of my place too. Yeah. So if your father is alive, please show him some love on this Father's Day. Yeah. Show them that they feel appreciative. Show them love. Father, stepfather, whomever is the father around, figure around, show them some love. Okay? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Some fathers play the role of a mom. Well, they can be a mom, but they can play the role, part of the role, not all the role of a mom, because they can be the sole caretaker of your child. Yeah, but certain things they may not be able to do. Hi, Redeem. Welcome in, honey. Just here talking about Father's Day and what are your plans. It's coming tomorrow. Oh, your father is alive, Redeem? Let me know. Because he has not been around since I was 16. He died early when I was young. So, Father's Day, for me, sometimes I just have to adapt. You see, them on, but then I say anything really. I just have to adapt, like my Obina would maybe fill the gap a little so that I don't feel left out too much. I can celebrate him as a father for his children. Yeah, so all those years, whenever this time comes around, um, it's always a sad occasion for persons, yeah, who has lost their fathers. Likewise, Mother's Day. Um, but for some reason, we don't celebrate Father's Day as much as we should, like Mother's Day. It's always on the back burner. It's not commercialized like Mother's Day. Um, you would have seen a lot of stuff advertised. Very important. They need to be celebrate. Thanks, yes. Tell them watch the ads and subscribe. Yeah, because they're here reading, and then say nothing, from when we have all 5 and 6 or 8 people on the live and then not saying a word. But me know say you guys not there because you know that talk to me, sure you know that talk to me. But I don't know the others afraid to communicate. I don't know. Or they're not able to type because I remember Kenny's told me that one time. So she's not able to type. So I don't know. But I am I am just here talking about Father's Day. Yeah. Rodine is here for that alive. Let me know in the comment section if your father is alive and what are your plans for him this Sunday. Father's Day come quick though. I would think it's like next week, but it comes so quickly. Outside hot, you see? Can feel it. Everybody coming in, taking off their sweaters. Hi. And inside is cold. Yeah. What are your plans, guys, for Father's Day? Nobody answering, nobody have any plans. Not even with your children to celebrate their dad. Feel thirsty. And guys, have you drink your water today? Water is life. Go ahead and drink some water today. Yeah. So Father's Day is another day that is celebrated. I don't know if it's celebrated at the same time because Mother's Day in England is different from our Mother's Day, I believe. So I'm not sure if it's the same with Father's Day, but yeah. Yes, and I was asking what are on the menu for lunch today, because I know it's Ben Johnson's Day. Yeah, you might be warming up, or you might be making a sandwich or buying a sandwich. Whatever you're eating today, let's give thanks for it. Yeah. The summer students are here doing summer classes. Oh, she came out and walking. No, that sun. I might go out there for 2 seconds, but yeah, it's hot. It's hot. Hmm. Um, one of these afternoon, I'm going to go over TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, guys. It's Ann Booth on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook, Ann Booth. Remember to like, share, and comment on my channel. I've put up some shorts. Go ahead and watch them and like them, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys shortly. So enjoy the rest of your days, the rest of your day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Remember to drink up your water. Yeah, let's set 8 glasses of water. That's the motivational talk today. So drink your water. Yeah, drink a lot of water. Yeah, up to 8 glasses. I don't know why they say that. I must do some research on that because I can't drink 8 glasses of water. 8 glasses of water will make you go to the bathroom regular. But if you can drink it. Flush out your system. Flush out what you're taking. Yeah, your body need 90% water. Yeah, or 95. Oops. Yeah, your body need more water than anything else to survive. So yeah, remember to drink a lot of water. Yeah. All right. Thank you all so much for coming in, and I look forward to talking to you again another time. We didn't have enough time, Shireen, to talk about our grandparents, but it's Father's Day, so I wonder when it's Grandparents' Day. They should have something like that too. Yeah, they should have a day to celebrate the grandparents, not just mother and fathers, but grandparents are very important. They play such a great role in our kids' life. So we should celebrate. We should set aside a day for grandparents. Yep. So, and I hope to see you again maybe tomorrow if it doesn't rain or it's not too hot on the outside. Tomorrow is Friday, you know. If it's not too hot on the outside, I'll see you again tomorrow, or if not, over the weekend. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Okay? And I will see you guys on the other side. Okay? So, bye. Bye. Take care, guys. See you. Bye. Bye, Rudine.